Hello everyone and welcome to WordFleet. In this video, I want to take a moment to show you how to import an existing WordPress site into your WordFleet account using our free importer plugin. So for this tutorial, I have a simple development WordPress site already set up, as you can see right here, and I would like to import this into my WordFleet account and host it on my server. For the purposes of this tutorial, I will import the site and deploy it as a live production site that the public can see. So here in my WordFleet account, I already have a project set up, as you can see here, and I have no WordPress sites currently active in that project. So let's go ahead and import the WordPress site into this project and host it on the server. And by the way, the process of setting up projects and servers are topics that I cover in other video tutorials. So to start the process, we can simply click on the site imports link here at the top left. So the first thing we need to do is choose which server we want to import the site to. I only have one server, a production server, so I'm going to go ahead and choose that, and then we can continue. Next, we need to download and install the free importer plugin, so we can go ahead and do that right here. And once we have the plugin file downloaded and saved locally, we can head back to our WordPress site, and we will go into the dashboard. So from the WordPress dashboard, we can go to the plugins section, click on Add New, click on Upload Plugin, and we'll go ahead and choose the plugin file that we just downloaded, and we can install it. Once installed, we can go ahead and activate it. At this point, if we head back to the WordFleet dashboard, you will see that the Start Import Process button has now appeared at the bottom, so let's go ahead and click on that. At this point, an image of the WordPress site has now been imported into the WordFleet account, and we can go ahead and deploy that image to our server. So from here, we can choose the destination project, and we can now choose what type of site this import is going to be. As I said earlier, I would like to have this as a live public site, so I'll go ahead and choose that. Based on our choice, the default domain names have been chosen for us, although you can go ahead and update those if necessary. Since this is a live production site, search engine indexing and site health checks are turned on by default. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to turn those off, but you would go ahead and leave those on. And I'm happy with these settings, so I'm going to go ahead and start the deployment. After a few moments, the deployment is done, and we can go ahead and check out the new site details. As you can see, the imported site is now deployed and ready to go. At this point, we would need to set up correct domain name routing, which is a topic that I've covered in previous tutorial videos, so please check those out if you need to. I've already set up the correct domain name routing using Cloudflare, so at this point we can check out our imported site. And there it is. There is the imported WordPress site now being hosted on the server within the WordFleet account. And with that, I will sign off. As always, if you found this content useful, please do consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. And as always, thanks for choosing WordFleet.